Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Lilygo T-Dongle-S3 and we're turning into a Biscuit node using the command line interface. And like always, it's a super easy process, so stay tuned. So we're going to head to python.org/download/windows, download the Windows installer for the 64-bit. Once we open that up, you want to make sure you click add to python.exe to pad. Then you want to click install now. While we're doing that, let's head over to the Discord and download the bin file that we're going to need to flash onto our C5. So you want to head to Biscuit Emporium, Biscuit Node, and then download the merged bin. Now the reason we're making this node is for Wardriving. Each node acts like an additional radio, allowing you to cover more Wi-Fi channels simultaneously. Imagine having two Biscuit Pros. One of them feeds the Wi-Fi as it sees to the other. It's all about greater spectrum coverage. And let's speed this up. And before we plug in our T-Dongle, make sure you're holding the button on the bottom. Okay, so now we open PowerShell. And then we're going to put in this command that's going to identify which COM port our T-Dongle is on. Push enter. Okay, so we're on COM 13. Now we're going to put in this command that's going to erase the previous firmware that was on the T-Dongle. Okay, and now we're going to put in this command, which is going to flash our new bin file onto our T-Dongle. All right, your T-Dongle is ready. Okay, so we unplug our T-Dongle and plug it back in and turn on our Biscuit. On our phone, we want to click on our Biscuit app, connect our Biscuit Pro, and then we want to go over here to settings and click on node management. And you can see it's already discovered our node. Alright guys, and that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Make sure you like and subscribe, and all the links and commands will be in the description. Stay safe out there.